Now, the official Suncoast weather with ABC7 meteorologist John Scalzi.
So currently we're looking at an air temperature coming in at 76 degrees. I think we'll top it out a few degrees warmer than that perhaps as the dew points begin to increase. We were in the 40s this morning, 48-degree dew points. And look, now almost 10 degrees warmer in just the space of a few hours. Why? Because the winds shift from northeast to southeast. That southerly component to the wind is everything at this time of year in terms of the humidity factor. The partly cloudy skies, mostly sunny skies will certainly raise our temperatures a few more degrees along with that southeasterly wind flow. We're looking at 76 degrees in Arcadia, Wauchula, Parrish coming in at 75, 76 in Bradenton, 74 degrees Lakewood Ranch, 76 in Sarasota, 74 in Venice, 73 in Inglewood, and 71 degrees at Longboat Key. With the winds out of the north this morning, now these are dew point values across the state of Florida. Dew point values the measure of how much moisture there is in the atmosphere. With winds out of the northeast this morning, it was drawing down some of this drier dew point air. In fact, the dew points this morning in North Florida were almost desert-like, coming in the 20s. But now, with the wind coming up out of the south, we're obviously catching some of these higher dew point values and bringing them into our area. So the bottom line is, with the wind shift out of the southeast, we'll also not only bring up more warmer air, but we'll also bring up more humid air. And that will set the stage for a couple of things. One, with the northerly wind flow, with the southerly wind flow like this and the higher humidity, we're going to start thinking about fog again. So long as our winds come out of the south, it draws up that humidity, and it's fog season. So we'll be thinking about that. Eventually, our winds will shift even a little bit more southwesterly, coming in off Gulf waters, pushing the fog that forms closer to the coastline. And that will happen probably by about Sunday. I think we'll really start talking about fog in the forecast then. Until then, we'll get some higher afternoon humidities, making it feel just a little stickier like it did day before yesterday, or even yesterday, really. But today, this morning, was delightful, cool, crisp, dry air in place. Now with high pressure kind of moving out into the Atlantic, we start to see that southerly flow of air. That's in response to an approaching cold front. That approaching cold front will actually not only trigger off some big snowstorms back to the west and in the center part of the country, but the front itself will, by Sunday, start to stall out over north central Florida. Once that happens, we factor in the chance of some showers and thunderstorms around here. So sunny skies, dry conditions today, and then we wait for the humidity to increase to the point where we start to talk about some fog over the weekend. We have across the region very quiet conditions, no rain falling now, and don't expect to see any today. Probably not tomorrow either, but the RPM computer model does show we catch a few showers over on the other coast today and tomorrow. Then as we head into Saturday, a few more showers, and then as we head into Sunday, we'll watch a frontal boundary begin to approach the area with a potential of about a 20% chance of storms, or showers, I should say, Sunday night and on into Monday as well. The forecast for boating looks pretty good. Be nice out there on the waters today. East wind coming in out of the southeast this evening and increasing in intensity overnight. That'll give you a moderate chop on bay and inland waters. And the forecast calling for that 20% chance of showers and maybe a little bit of a rainfall starting Sunday night into Monday with that stalled frontal boundary to the north and temperatures running near the 80-degree mark.